You are going to be surprised at how quickly you can place railings in ArchiCAD. In this video, you're going to master how to set and place railings in an R+1 story. Whereas in the last video, we learned how to place openings for balconies in ArchiCAD. Video linked above. And without waste of time, let's dive in. To place railings for a structure, you're going to navigate to Railings and double click. Under Railings, click on the star option above and choose the type of railings you want to use. Probably for this structure, I want to use a frameless glass railing. So I'm going to select on that. Then move down to segments. The height of the railing, I want it to be 1 meter. It's actually okay for me. So on the railing, move to floor plan, symbol components. Unselect everything except the rails. Once done, move to floor plan, symbol override. Select this and change this to arch. Once done, click OK. And then start positioning my railing. So I'm going to place the first railing this way. You're going to select on this point and draw right up to this point. Right click, press OK. Start from this point. Draw right up to this edge. And finally, this edge. Right click, press OK. Move down to ground story. And on ground story, we are going to select from this point and draw right up to this point. Finally, we are going to end at this point. Right click, press OK. For this section, you're going to select on this point. Draw right up to this other point this way. Right click, press OK. Get to 3D to see what we have done on our railings. So this is how the rails of our structure is going to look like. If you found this video helpful, you're definitely going to love what we have next. Click here to discover how to set and draw staircase in ArchiCAD like a professional. See you on the other side, my friend.